Solar energy is transforming the way we power the world. But did you know that we can enhance its efficiency while promoting the sustainability? Welcome to our research on sustainable coating for solar panels using rice husk ash. A breakthrough that not only boosts the energy output but can also tackle the agriculture waste. Before diving into our innovation, let us first understand the basic structure of solar panel. Solar panel consists of aluminum frame, tempered glass, encapsulated EVA, solar cell, encapsulated EVA, backsheet and junction box. We've understood the structure of solar panel and how it works to convert the sunlight into electricity. Let us talk about one of the major challenges that affects its efficiency: dust accumulation. No matter how advanced the technology, external factors like dirt, dust, and environmental pollutants can significantly reduce the panel's performance over time. This dust buildup not only decreases the energy efficiency but also increases maintenance cost and time consumption, as regular cleaning is required and keep the panel functioning at the best. This excessive cleaning can also cause wear and tear. However, an innovative solution to this problem is silica based anti reflective coating. This coating is hydrophobic, meaning it repels the water, prevents the dust accumulation, and ensures that the panel remains clean for a longer time. By using this, we can significantly reduce the maintenance efforts while maximizing the energy output, making it highly beneficial alternative to traditional cleaning methods. Anti-reflective coating. They help to reduce the reflection and improve efficiency. Currently, we use silicon nitride and titanium dioxide as an anti-reflective coating. While they do enhance the efficiency, their extraction and production come at a heavy environmental cost, energy intensive processes, and chemical waste. But what if we could create an eco friendly alternative? Our research focuses on extracting silica from rice husk ash, a byproduct of agriculture, to develop a sustainable anti reflective coating. This method reduces the waste, eliminates the toxic emissions, and is 100% biodegradable. Plus, silica based coating can achieve high efficiency at lower cost. Let us take a closer look at the process of silica extraction from rice husk. Silica recovery involves two main steps: pre-treatment and chemical treatment. First, in the pre-treatment stage, the rice husk undergoes the calcination, a high temperature heating process that exceeds 500 degrees Celsius. This intense heat burns off the organic components, leaving behind the rice husk ash, which is rich in silica. Now that we have the ash, we move on to the chemical treatment process. This consists of two key steps. First is an acid treatment. Here, the ash is treated with a strong acid. The purpose of this step is to remove and dissolve the impurities such as calcium, potassium, manganese, and iron. Second, alkali treatment. Next, we introduce alkali solution which reacts with the silica in the ash to form a soluble silica salt. This salt solution is then treated with an acid, leading to the precipitation of the pure silica. Through this method, we efficiently recover the silica from rice husk, making use of an agriculture byproduct that would otherwise go to the waste. Now, to deposit this thin layer of materials onto a substrate, we use methods like spin coating, drop coating, etc. Spin coating. A silica solution is dropped onto a spinning substrate, spreading evenly due to a centrifugal force. The solvent evaporates, leaving a uniform thin coating. Drop coating. A silica solution is dropped onto a substrate and left to evaporate, forming a coating. It's simple but have an uneven thickness. See how the silica based coating go beyond the regular anti-reflective coating to deliver both efficiency and sustainability. Silica based coating for solar panel offer a game changing solution. Our innovation can enhance the power output by 4 to 5% while cutting down the maintenance cost, making solar energy even more viable.